assemblies. Trustee Radlin.
Through you, Chair, I refer to student trustee Sora, who is now here.
Thank you, Trustee Radlin. Through you, Madam Chair. I do have a picture to share, but I'm not sure if I'm able to share my screen at the moment. Is that acceptable?
If you can do it, do it.
Okay. Perfect. Just confirming that everyone can see my screen. Yes. Okay.
Yep, we can.
Perfect. Thank you, Madam Chair. Through you, on March 21st, I attended the first ever WRDSB Muslim Culture Celebration Assembly hosted by Eastwood Collegiate Institute. I was very happy to see Director Chanika, Associate Director Miller, Trustee Woodcock, Trustee Radlin, Equity and Inclusion Officer Warren, Communications Officer Brandenstein, and Superintendent Lemon at the event. I'd now like to take a moment to highlight some of the wonderful people who brought this assembly to life. First, it was an absolute pleasure meeting Simab Zahra, an incredible poet in the community who shared with everyone her journey. Sarah Terrier, a grade 12 student at Laurel Heights, also gave another one of her amazing speeches. Next, Arshida Khanjani, a grade 9 student at Eastwood, performed 2 beautiful songs on the oud. We also had the chance to listen to a traditional nasheed delivered by Alish Batarik and Aska Fatima, grade 10 students from Glenview Park. Finally, I would like to give a very special shout out to one of the heads of my school's Muslim Student Association, Fabiha Farouk, who helped Cameron Heights attend this assembly. As a student trustee, I could not be more honored to belong to this diverse, talented, and inspirational community, and I want to congratulate all of those who contributed to this assembly. Thank you very much.